Are you a pancake lover? Then stick around with me. Today I made a healing pancake. Soft, warm, and so nourishing. And guess what ingredients we are using today? Cloves, star anise, and cinnamon. It's like bringing Christmas right back early. I blended this ingredients with my coconut. Then I will add it to the batter. Now we put it to blend. Ensure to add enough water so that it will go easy on the blender. Have you ever tried using coconut in your pancake? I think you better give it a go because the taste of the pudding is in the eating. And I'm going to use a roll oats as my flour, then add the eggs. You will notice all the ingredients here are intentionally selected to do a deep work inside. Coconut for healthy fat and energy with its lauric acid as an antimicrobial. Oats as a complex carb for gentle fiber and gut healing. The eggs for protein punch and repair. And those warming spices, they boost circulation, fight inflammation, and help clear congestion. Guys, this is comfort food reimagined as a recovery food. After adding the eggs, now we'll give them a good mix. Add salt to taste and mix and mix until we have the right consistency for the batter. Now with our batter ready, we'll get them to cook. Now I'm going to get my small frying pan just to make them a burger size, so it's not too large. Add a bit of olive oil to just lubricate the pan. Now you put a small portion at a time and allow it one side. When one side is cooked, you flip over to the other side to cook it as well. If you are healing from a cold, burnout, or anything deeper, try making food that feeds yourself. Because recovery doesn't just come from rest alone, it comes from nourishment. And remember to hydrate. So let's look how it comes out. So nice and golden. Wow. We do the same to finish the remaining batter. Thank you for watching and relax and enjoy. Bye.